The high pressure fuel pipes are specially formed and hardened using a method called auto-frottage. If for any reason the high pressure fuel pipes need to be removed, they must not be reused. If the pipe retaining clips need to be removed, they must also be replaced with new ones. We must protect open fuel passages from dirt ingress by using the correct protective caps. These are available as a service kit. Once the cap has been used, it must be disposed of. Before fitting the new pipe, we must check the packaging does not show signs of damage that may indicate the pipe has been bent or that dirt may have got in. If the caps are missing, the pipe should not be used. When fitting the new pipe, do not tweak or bend the pipe in any way. Fit new clips in the right place. Pipes not clipped correctly may vibrate and break. Be sure to torque the pipe correctly, and if it leaks, replace it.